A federal appeals court upheld most of the gag order Judge Tanya Chutkan imposed on Donald Trump following incendiary comments he made about people involved in his trial on charges related to overturning the 2020 election. The former president is barred from attacking court staff, prosecutorial staff, and potential trial witnesses, but the appeals judges did allow him to criticize Chutkan, the Justice Department, the Biden administration, and the case itself as politically motivated. Elsewhere, Hunter Biden's legal trouble deepened after prosecutors filed new tax charges against him, and in an interview with the musician Moby, the president's son said the GOP is trying to kill me to undermine Joe Biden's presidency. Here's what else happened today. Hunter Biden's attorney said the latest charges against his client were the result of Republican pressure. Trump's campaign discouraged speculation over who might be hired to staff his administration if he wins next year's presidential election. The right-wing House Freedom Caucus demanded Congress approve hardline immigration policies that Democrats oppose in exchange for more Ukraine aid. Joe Biden's approval ratings have hit a record low, poll aggregator 538 reports. A protest against a Philadelphia Jewish restaurant by demonstrators calling for a ceasefire in the Gaza Strip was more complicated than it initially appeared. The Trump campaign has also released a statement regarding speculation in the media over who might staff his administration, assuming he wins next year's election. Let us be very specific here. Unless a message is coming directly from President Trump or an authorized member of his campaign team, no aspect of future presidential staffing or policy announcements should be deemed official, write Trump aides Susie Wiles and Chris LaCivita. Let us be even more specific and blunt. People publicly discussing potential administration jobs for themselves or their friends are, in fact, hurting President Trump and themselves. These are an unwelcome distraction. Second-term policy priorities and staffing decisions will not in no uncertain terms be led by anonymous or thinly sourced speculation in mainstream media news stories.